This is my friend. My cousin. Wait. Minsan kami, ba't nag-start agad? Pinatay ako ng murderer. Si Mushroom Guy. Mushroom Guy kill me. Mushroom Guy kill me. Mushroom Guy kill me. Mushroom Guy kill me. Murderer has one. Bakla si Mushroom Guy! Bakla ikaw, Mushroom Guy. Ito factory.
No. Ay, sali kayo sa video.
So this, unya pala, trade tayo. Trade tayo, Kuya Ethan. Ay, ba't ko sinabi pangalan mo? Diba alam mo naman kung saan yung trade? Trade. Sinabi na natin. This guy is keep following me.
Oh my god, yeah, was that coming? I have a gun here.
Why is he following me?
Oh my god, there's a bubble pop. I need to up. No. Yeah. Body station. Like this. Yeah, baby.
Down! I didn't know it. I didn't. Hindi ko na alam. Why? Peace lang. Diba doon?
Alam ko na sana mag-charge. To my booby trap.
Okay, tayo. I die. So I want to trade with my pinsan. You're not brother. Trade.
Huwag po ako galaw dyan. Bababa ako. Ano yan?
Trade.
Tayo. Ano yan?
Trade.
Bakit no?
Trade.
Accept win. Saan ako? Harap mo ako. Bibigyan kita.
Trade. Trade. Pindot mo lang yung TRE.
Hindi ko follow.
Trade ko niya ikaw sana eh.
Victory tayo.
Ano kaya gagamitin pa ko pag murder? X-ray!
Yeah.
I'm gonna use X-ray if I murder. So, X-ray. Oh no, that's not X-ray. 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 So let's change our weapon. Let's change our weapon. Okay. Freaking innocent. Freaking innocent. Remember, I'm your pinsan. Somebody's got me! It's the mushroom guy! Mushroom guy! Mushroom guy! Mushroom guy! stairs in the third floor. I will. Mushroom guy! He's going downstairs! Mushroom guy is going downstairs! Mushroom guy is going downstairs.
I'm going to kill you with my dynamite.
He didn't see me. Puwitan! Puwitan, kita ka! Ay, hindi.
Tulog yun.
Tago ka dapat. Or else he might see you. Puwitan! 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 I will swear I will kill you. Mushroom guy for revenge. For my revenge on my pinsan. I'm going to get revenge.
Hindi naman doon sa mushroom guy.
Mushroom guy yun. Ay, bakla pa din. Bakla pa din si mushroom guy.
Sino yung pumasok doon?
Ewan ko.
Guys. O, naka-record ako. Huling po kayo. Sino yun?
Sino nga yun, guys? Sino Momo?
Pumasok sa bahay namin.
Ala, yun na. Kuya ka nagsastart na. Ano ba yan? Innocent. Innocent pa din ako.
Iconic.
Iconic.
Sino yun? Shotgun ako. Ay, oo nga pala. Ikaw naman. Nandito ka sa kama. Tun, tun, tun.
I'm hiding, guys, in this thing.
Tun, tun.
Natatago ako.
Ano nagtulak sa akin, ha? May nakikita ko na po. Stop! Please, no! Please, stop! Don't kill me, please!
Tumatago ako sa kitchen. Almost.
Tago na din ako, kitchen.
Ako nasa sink. Victory!
Ako na si ano?
Victory! Victory! Victory!
Yay!
Victory! Why did I sound like that, guys? This is a long video, so watch until the end. Watch until the end, guys. Sheriff say the day. Yeah, who cares? Yeah! Yeah, my son! This! This! You're gonna get easy on me, fine. Haha, girl. Hey, why are you not still? Why are you not moving still? What am I? What am I, guys? Sino kaya ako? Murderer, sheriff? Not murderer or sheriff. If somebody kill me, I'm gonna be angry. Hey, I'm not the murd. I'm not the murd. Yo, murd. Yo, murd. Yo, murd. Holy! Mushroom. Ay, he's not a mushroom. Patayan ko yun. Guys, I stopped crying. I stopped crying now. I don't cry now. I didn't cry now. Hey, pinsan.
Kuya mo ako.
I own your pinsan. Brother.
Ina-share ka?
Kuya. It's kuya.
Duribon.
Kuya.
Duribon. Bago lang ka.
Kuya, diba umiyak ako kanina? Na yun hindi?
What? Nakain na ka?
Kakain ka na? necklace?
Mga ano na.
Nakain ka ng necklace? Ay, wag mo victory naman.
Sige mo, yaman.
Tingnan mo gagawin ko
What the
sa'yo.
sigma? What the sigma?
Tingnan mo gagawin
What
ko
the
sa'yo.
sigma?
Tingnan mo gagawin ko sa'yo. Yun ang papatay sa akin. Ay, hindi. Okay. So, gusto mo mamatay?
Please.
Patay na siya sa akin.
Oh my God.
Patay na patay
There's a
siya sa
knife.
akin.
There's a knife. Help. Help. There's a knife. There's a knife.
Papatayin ko na talaga siya sa rainbow knife ko.
I will kill him with my...
Ay, may parehas tayo na baril. May parehas tayo ng baril, kuya.
Ay ko. Iconic na naman eh.
Guys, I'm not the murd.
Da.
Guys, I'm not the murd.
Ano na?
Guys, I'm not the murd. I'm innocent again. I'm innocent, guys, okay? I'm innocent.
I got to hack.
Don't hack.
Hacky.
Don't hack.
Hacky.
Help. If somebody was sheriff, I will...
Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
Diba may hacking ka? I'm married! I'm married! I'm married! I'm married! Yee!
Who's up gun? Who's up gun? Who's up gun?
Tete!
Who's up gun?
Tete!
Who's up gun?
Tete! I'm going to get you. Tete! I'm going to get you. No! Anthony! Haha! I'm going to kill someone. Not my kuya. Because he's good.
Ako ko nito itong rainbow rainbow.
Ano?
Ano ko nito? Ano? Na meron pa dito sa
Predicat
labas.
naman doon.
Hoy, hacker! Hacker. Iba ko. Iba ko.
Shung!
Ano ba yan? Ano ko?
Get out of my sight! Sight! Get back. Get back over here. Get back over here.
Oh! Paris!
No!
Okay guys.
Not this again. Oh, come on. Now I got to leave.
Ano ba kasi naglalaro nito?
I got to leave, guys. Okay, guys. So that's the end of the
I'm
video.
going to end the video.
Okay. Bye-bye. It's 30.